Wag.
Good job, followers of Jesus.
Woo! Great job, Grandma! Great job, Adriana! And do you do, truth seekers? Well, I think this marks the end of our trip. Shall we head back to the next gen hangouts? Yup, ready to go up.
Hoy.
So, once again, truth seekers, do you think the mission that
No, no.
is possible?
Great na siya. Doon ka. Doon, doon. Doon, doon, doon. Doon, doon. Doon. Doon, doon.
We can trust in the success of our mission, guided by the one who leads in God, which is our big idea for this episode. Mission Possible. Follow me.
Oh, this is our big idea. Okay. Okay. Okay, kuya. Okay. Our big idea for today is Mission Possible. Follow Jesus around.
Jesus is God, and as a follower of Jesus, we were given an assignment. Where can we find the instructions? In our memory verse for this year. Let's say today is the action. Matthew 8, verse 19. So you must go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit.
Oh. Open na. Ayan, open. Oh. Okay. Oh, palitan mo doon, Oli. Gusto mo ng orange? Ah, gusto mo pink? Ha? Palitan mo doon. Ate, palit daw siya ng pink.
Looking back at the Bible, Paul didn't believe in Jesus and was against Jesus' followers. But then, one day, Jesus appeared to him like all gave him great when we obey, we have to wake up.
Makinig ka dyan, oh. Makinig ka.
We can start
Makinig ka.
friends and neighbors.
Oo. Oo. Yan, oh, mag-color kayo. Busy ka, Kob? Busy ka?